Hey guys, in this video I will show you best forex strategy and forex TradingView indicator special for you. And if you not join my telegram channel, link in my description box, simply click and join my telegram channel. Okay, and if you not join best forex broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up below and start forex trading. Okay, and what is a strategy? And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next update and next video. Okay, and what is a strategy? A strategy is two indicator strategy, and first indicator is x trend, trend. Okay, is indicator. I have add this indicator. And then second indicator is CM MACD custom indicator. Okay, here is indicator is a very crisp modi by. Okay, so I have add this indicator. Okay, what is a strategy? Strategy is simple strategy when this circle arrow and green market should be go up. Okay, and I can show is a strategy. Okay, here is a strategy. Stop loss set in lower line, lower support level, and when market show the red circle, market should be go down. Okay, and you have book your profit. Okay, and here is a market signal buy. Okay, I have set this my position. Okay, here is a stop loss set on my here is a support level, and my profit is here strong resistance level. Okay, so let's see the result. Okay, 100% very good indicator. You can use it. Then my send me comment. Okay, so let's see how the result market go down or up. Okay, is a 90% winning strategy. Okay, on forex. This is a forex. Okay, not binary. Okay, is a forex trading. This indicator only forex trading. Okay,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient.